Hello everyone, welcome to Swagger Swoon. My name's George and today we're going to be showing you the Krasny Hourglass Knot. Now this is quite a fancy looking one, but it's actually really quite simple to do. So we'll show you step by step. For this you want to take your tie. Here we've got a dark sage regular tie, so you can see it's got the nice wider part this end, and we've got the thinner part on this end, and you want the wider part to be a little bit longer like so. That's going to give you a nice tie shape. So start by crossing it over, like so, folding underneath there, wrapping it over, and then up through the middle like this. Now, you may recognise this as the 4-in-hand knot. This is a very, very simple tie knot. Back down through that loop there, and that gives you your classic sort of simple tie knot there. Now, what you want to do is make sure it's all tightened up using that back paddle, and pop your collar down and make sure you're happy with the look of that first knot, because once we do the next step you can't adjust that. So once you're happy with it, you then want to take your thinner end here and then fold it so this edge is coming out. I don't know if you can see there, but that will actually fold across like that. So you end up with a bit of a fold there. This one wraps around the front, back underneath, oops, without the twist in it, there you go. And then that comes back down through the loop that you've just created. Again, you end up with a bit of a fold in there, so that that one sits at the back. And then use that back end just to tighten him up like so. And just adjust until you're happy with it, and you almost end up with sort of an upside down tie knot underneath it. You can tuck your end in there and then tuck that down into your jacket. And obviously if you are sort of worried about it starting to show through the day or anything like that, we have got tie bars available. You can just use one of those to clip onto there like so, to hold everything in place. But there you see you've got that hourglass shape up there. Now it's all got the matching accessories there as well, so that is the hourglass knot.